Hey, what's up, everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Today, it's going to be a 2012 BOSS 302 Mustang Roush Supercharge. It's running our Brenspeed Supercharger package. You're going to watch a dyno pull. This thing laid down over 670 real horsepower. So, hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify to stay up to date. But right now, we're going to go take a look at the engine compartment, tell you how we got there. Let's go check it out. All right, before we watch the dyno pull, we're going to go down and take a look at the engine compartment. I have Doug with me. And hey, if you haven't, you can check that description because I'm going to have links of a lot more information on the parts we're getting ready to look at. And you can email quote@brenspeed.com and say, hey, what's it cost to build my Mustang? But right now, Doug, come down and take a look. This is the Roush TVS 2.3 liter supercharger. We have the Ford Performance throttle body, nice Roush air induction system. This does have on it as well all our cooling mods. So what's our cooling mods? Rear cylinder head cooling kit, larger radiator, cooler thermostat. We have a fan on it as well as billet oil pump gears. This does have a set of 95-pound fuel injectors. Today we're running a 72mm pulley, but it's the BOSS 302 with the Roush Supercharger. Really cool setup. Also a set of long tube headers. Check out this dyno pull. Hey, something I didn't mention when I talked about the fuel system, I said in 95-pound fuel injectors, we also installed a Kenny Bell booster pump. And what fuel we running? 93 octane mixed with some boostane to give you about 100 octane. Doug, come over here. DynoJet SAE, 673 real horsepower, 7,100 RPM. Torque came in killer, 546, peaking at 6,000 RPM. Let me back up, take a look at that graph. This is a really, really sweet setup. I'll tell you what, when this client picks his car up, next thing you need to purchase some sticky tires because this car on the street is absolutely sick. So hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. If you have any questions, leave a comment. We'd be happy to answer. And don't forget, please subscribe and notify to stay up to date. Thanks for watching.